Welcome to Wordscience. Today we will learn about the word alive. This is a very important word. Let's start our lesson together. What does the word alive mean? Alive means living. When something is alive, it is living. It is not dead. Living things are all around us. Alive means living. Look at the animals running. Look at the plants growing. These are alive. They are living things. Animals are alive. Dogs are alive. Birds are alive. Fish are alive. All animals are living things. They move and breathe. Plants are alive too. Flowers are alive. Trees are alive. Grass is alive. Plants grow and need water. They are living things. People are alive. You are alive. I am alive. Children are alive. Adults are alive. We are all living things. We move, eat, and breathe. But some things are not alive. Rocks are not alive. Chairs are not alive. Cars are not alive. These things do not live. They do not grow or breathe. Let's compare. Animals and people are alive. They are living. But rocks and chairs are not alive. They are not living. Can you see the difference? How can you tell if something is alive? Living things move. They grow. They eat. They breathe. These are signs of life. Moving means alive. Animals move. They walk, run, swim, or fly. When something moves by itself, it might be alive. Growing means alive. Plants grow from tiny seeds. They become big flowers or tall trees. Growing is a sign of life. Eating means alive. Animals eat food. People eat food. We need food to stay alive. Eating gives us energy. Breathing means alive. All living things breathe. We breathe air. Fish breathe in water. Breathing keeps us alive. Feeling alive is special. When you feel alive, you feel happy. You feel strong. You feel full of energy and joy. When you are alive, you can feel many things. You can feel happy. You can feel sad. You can feel excited. Feelings show you are alive. The word alive appears in stories and songs. People write about being alive. They sing about feeling alive. It is a beautiful word. There are common expressions with alive. We say keep alive, come alive, and feel alive. These phrases are used every day. Keep alive means to stay living. Doctors help keep people alive. We keep plants alive by giving them water. It means to continue living. Come alive means to become active. A party comes alive when music starts. Your face comes alive when you smile. It means to become full of energy. Feel alive means to feel happy and strong. When you exercise, you feel alive. When you laugh, you feel alive. It is a wonderful feeling. Nature is full of things that are alive. Forests are alive with trees and animals. Rivers have fish that are alive. Nature is beautiful and living. Some things were alive before. Wood comes from trees that were alive. Paper comes from plants that were alive. Fossils are from animals that were alive long ago. How do we care for living things? We water plants to keep them alive. We feed animals to keep them alive. We must be kind to all living things. Why is being alive important? Life is a gift. Being alive lets us see, hear, and feel. We can love and learn. Life is precious. Now let's have fun with the word alive. You can use this word every day. Say, I am alive. Say, the flowers are alive. Practice using this word. Let's practice using alive in sentences. The dog is alive. The tree is alive. I feel alive today. These are simple ways to use the word. Let's summarize what you learned today. Alive means living. Living things move, grow, eat, and breathe. Being alive means you can feel and experience life. Thank you for learning with us today. You did a great job. Keep learning new words. Keep growing your English skills. Please subscribe to Wordscience. We teach many words in simple English. Subscribe to learn more. Click the button and join our family. There are more words to learn on Wordscience. We have many lessons for you. Come back and watch more videos. Learning is fun. See you next time on Wordscience. Keep practicing English. Keep learning new words. Goodbye and stay alive with learning.